Welcome back to Color Vistas and to our guide on creating custom clothing tags using sublimation printing. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the process, from understanding the basics of sublimation to designing, printing, and attaching your unique tags. By the end, you'll have knowledge needed to produce vibrant, durable clothing tags that enhance your brand's identity. Before we get started, make sure you visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Let's start with understanding sublimation printing for clothing tags. Sublimation printing is a technique that transfers designs from specialized transfer paper onto materials using heat. This method is ideal for clothing tags because it produces permanent, high-quality designs capable of capturing intricate details and complex color blends. The process requires a sublimation printer, sublimation ink, transfer paper, and a heat press. When heat is applied, the solid dye particles in the ink transform into gas and bond with the fabric, resulting in a vibrant and durable print. Next, Step E: designing your custom clothing tags. Creating an effective clothing tag design involves several key considerations. Brand identity. Your tag should reflect your brand's personality and values. Incorporate elements like your logo, brand colors, and typography to maintain consistency across your products. Information layout. Include essential details such as care instructions, size, and material composition. Ensure the text is legible and organized logically. Design software. Utilize graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw to create your tag design. These tools allow for precise control over elements and support vector graphics, ensuring scalability without loss of quality. Color considerations. Sublimation printing enables the use of unlimited colors, allowing for photographic quality images. However, it's essential to ensure that your design maintains clarity and legibility, especially for small text or intricate details. And now, preparing your sublimation printer. Before printing your designs, it's crucial to prepare your sublimation printer properly. Printer selection. Choose a printer compatible with sublimation ink. Many users opt for Epson EcoTank models due to their adaptability for sublimation purposes. Ink installation. Fill the printer's ink tanks with high-quality sublimation ink. Ensure that the ink is specifically formulated for your printer model to achieve optimal results. Printer settings. Adjust the printer settings to match the requirements of sublimation printing. This includes selecting the appropriate paper type and print quality settings. Now, let's look at printing and cutting your clothing tags. With your design ready and printer prepared, follow these steps to print and cut your clothing tags. Printing. Print your design onto high-quality sublimation transfer paper. Ensure that the print side of the paper is correctly oriented to receive the ink. Cutting. After printing, carefully cut out each tag using precise cutting tools. Accuracy is essential to maintain a professional appearance and ensure uniformity across all tags. Moving on. Attaching clothing tags to garments. There are two primary methods for attaching your sublimation printed tags to clothing. Sew-on tags. This traditional method involves stitching the tags onto garments. It provides a secure attachment and a classic look. Ensure that the stitching is neat and matches the garment's thread color for a cohesive appearance. Iron-on tags. For a quicker application, iron-on tags come with a heat-activated adhesive backing. Using a heat press or household iron, apply heat and pressure to bond the tag to the fabric. This method is efficient, but may require testing to ensure durability. And finally, caring for sublimation. Printed clothing tags. To maintain the quality and longevity of your sublimation printed tags. Washing. Wash garments inside out in cold water using mild detergent. Avoid bleach or fabric softeners, as they can affect the print's vibrancy. Drying. Tumble dry on low heat or hang to dry. High heat can degrade the sublimation ink over time. Ironing. If ironing is necessary, use a low heat setting and place a cloth over the tag to protect the print. In conclusion, creating custom clothing tags through sublimation printing is an effective way to enhance your brand's presentation and provide essential information to your customers. By following this step-by-step guide, you can produce high-quality, durable tags that align with your brand identity and withstand regular use. Remember, attention to detail in each phase, from design to attachment, will ensure a professional and cohesive final product. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. You can visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. See you in the next video.